What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode, and today I'm going to tell you exactly what Bitcoin is in plain English. Once you watch this video, you'll know exactly what Bitcoin is and how to explain it to anyone else. So if that sounds good, then let's go. Bitcoin is a form of digital money which can be transferred to anyone around the globe. It can be used to pay for goods and services and to exchange value with another person. Bitcoin is native to the internet, meaning it is not a physical form of currency and can only be found online in a digital form. Nani? Now, although Bitcoin is primarily used as digital money, many people use it as a digital store of value or as an investment. As inflation rises in the real world and the value of our native currency decreases, Bitcoin becomes more and more attractive as it can beat inflation and increase in value. Now, there's two important components that make Bitcoin unique and special that you need to be aware of. Number one is decentralization. Decentralization means that no central bank or government can control Bitcoin or its supply, and no third parties or intermediaries are involved in any of the transactions that you make with other people. It's strictly peer-to-peer. The second component is scarcity. Scarcity relates back to the point that we mentioned on inflation. You see, Bitcoin has been specially programmed to only have 21 million coins ever in its entire existence, meaning it becomes more valuable and attractive as each year goes by and more people, businesses and companies accumulate this asset. Because there's only 21 million coins in supply, the more it gets accumulated, the more its value shoots up in price. Nani? I'm sure you've seen the stories of people becoming Bitcoin millionaires, and that's because the return on investment for Bitcoin over the last 10 years has been insane and has been one of the most profitable investments ever seen in an investment asset. So what are some of the pros and cons of Bitcoin? Let's take a look at the pros to begin with. Number one, it is the main cryptocurrency and the most recognizable cryptocurrency in the crypto space, meaning it's the most valuable cryptocurrency out there at the moment. Number two, Bitcoin is traded in a lot of different places. There's multiple exchanges, websites or stock websites that you can sign up for and trade and invest in Bitcoin. You can't do this with many of the other altcoins. Number three, as we discussed previously, Bitcoin has a limited supply, which makes it more valuable the more people accumulate this asset. Moving on to the cons. Number one, Bitcoin has slow transaction fees, meaning when you transfer some Bitcoin to another person, the transaction may take a lot longer than expected. Number two, despite Bitcoin being really popular and being the most recognizable asset in the cryptocurrency space, there are better projects on the market. The only issue is those projects are not as popular or as recognizable as Bitcoin. If we dive in deeper and look at the Symmetry Crypto Briefing Report, you can see that they've given Bitcoin a grade A-, which is amazing. And if we look at the report highlights, we can see some more pros of Bitcoin. It has massive market dominance, it's traded virtually everywhere crypto is traded, it has a global ecosystem and brand recognition, and it is primarily the bridge between fiat currencies and crypto. We of course recommend Bitcoin, we love it, and if you haven't invested in Bitcoin, it's never too late, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, that's going to sum it up for this video. If you want to learn more about the different types of cryptocurrencies out there, then I strongly recommend you check out this next video, or you check out our channel and subscribe, as we will be delivering crypto educational videos every single week. Let me know if you own any Bitcoin down below in the comments, and I will speak to you in the next one. Take care, peace. Nani?